Hey, Bill Vasey here. Thanks for watching this ELECTROWorx video on how to insert covers, dividers, and supports. We'll get started in AutoCAD Plant 3D with a cable tray spec already loaded. There's another video on how to route cable tray. I'm just going to get a couple straight sections and a horizontal bend inserted quickly to start accessorizing. All right, with those couple pieces in place, let's navigate down to the support section in the spec viewer. Here are all the accessories, and we're just going to start from top to bottom. Important is knowing which connection to pick. Just initiate the insert into model and click on connection 1, and in this case the horizontal bend divider will snap to the center. If we pivot to the straight section, the straight section will come in on connection 1, and now we need to determine what end to put that on. A single click will position the straight dividers. Here we'll see the straight divider was too long, but just like the cable tray sections, the dividers are customizable against the parameters available. In the part properties, you'll find L1 that can be adjusted, in this case from 12 feet to 10 feet. Continuing down the list, we have a couple clamps for conduit. I'm going to skip over those and go right to the covers so we can just focus on the cable tray. The covers are just like the dividers. You're going to pick an insertion point. Here it's important to note that the insertion point may not be on a node or a connection. It could be anywhere along the center line. So if you use the near option by typing NEA or NEAR at the command prompt, you will pick up the center line of the cable tray objects, and the covers can be placed anywhere along a run of cable tray. The bends, however, the covers for bends need to be orientated like the dividers. They need to be orientated at a connection, and they will cover the corresponding bend that is selected. And finally, the last one in the list is a trapeze type support. And here you're just going to be picking locations. Again, we can use the nodes or the center line that is a phantom, but there. And just pick a location and orientate the direction, and now we have a trapeze supported system. Well, that concludes this video on adding accessories to cable tray runs. Thank you for watching.